Is your trading chart on BingX feeling too cramped or taking up too much space? In 2026, adjusting your chart height only takes a few seconds and it can make analyzing trades much easier. Open the BingX platform and head to any trading pair chart. On desktop, move your cursor to the border between the chart and the order panel or trading section. When the resize icon appears, simply click and drag upward or downward to adjust the chart height to your preference. If you're using the mobile app, switch to landscape mode for a larger chart view. Some layouts also allow you to hide panels, like the order book or recent trades to maximize chart space. A larger chart is great for technical analysis and drawing indicators, while a smaller chart gives you more room for positions, orders, and market information. The best setup depends on your trading style. Scalpers often prefer larger charts, while multitasking traders may prefer a balanced layout. And that's how you can easily adjust your chart height on BingX in 2026 to create a trading setup that works best for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and platform tutorials.